Alright guys, today we'll be unboxing mixed footwears, kids footwear. So join me as I unbox and see beautiful footwears at mouthwatering price. So if you need contact, you can also chat me up and I will give you contact with affordable price. Now let's unbox the footwears and see how it looks like, guys. So amazing. Okay guys, you can see what I'm seeing. Wow, this is beautiful. Let's look at another one. These are mixed sneakers and so lovely. In my next video I'll still be showing mixed beaded shoes. See that beaded shoe you go to market to buy? Yes, those beaded shoes you go to market to buy for 15k. I'll tell you, I'll be showing you unboxing video on it my next video. So if you've not subscribed, do what to do so. How beautiful things. Wow, can you take a look? Wow, can you take a look? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at this. This footwear, if I tell you the price, you'll be amazed. Look at this one now. Oh my god, these are lovely. My camera is not making justice to this. It's not doing justice to this. Look at this one. Mixed though, and so affordable. Look at mixed. Can you see that? Oh, look at this. Oh, I feel like opening this right now. Let me open it to show you how it looks like. Now take a look at this. This is beautiful. Look at the tag. Wow. Wow. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is fine. Oh my. See how we here. Ooh. Can you see it? Different designs. Different designs. This is fine. This is fine. Oh, look at this. I need to open this. You need to see this one. You can see. Look at this one. Look at this one. So fine. Can you see this one? Oh my god. So lovely. Look at this one. I don't know if my camera is making justice to it. So fine. Now look at this one. So fine. So fine. So fine. You can see them. Look at this one too. So fine. So in case, you can also join our pre-order group. They will get mouthwatering beautiful things at mouthwatering price. So just like the video, subscribe to our channel. Our next video will be unboxing another kind of sneakers, another mixed. You shook. The next video will be unboxing our beaded shoes. So if you love unboxing videos and you love importation, you love how to make money videos, then hit the like button and subscribe so you can see more. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.